Welcome to my channel. Today we're going to talk about how to pay Dstv using Steward Bank Visa card. It's very simple. To pay Dstv, you have to call, you have to like this, less than 5 minutes. You're dishing it less than 5 minutes. Okay, let me teach you how to do it. Now you have entered in the website. Remember, you say easy dstv/en/zw/account. Remember the ZW. Kana pasina ZW inonetsa. Uri muzimba usafana sign Zimba. Okay, right, and there's a flag Zimbabwe in the right corner here. Make sure it's ZW. Then you enter your surname or your phone number. I think your surname. You can register now. I put my beautiful then you smart a number. I'm not going to show you. Right, start to sign in. Boom, I'm now in my account. Right, and they say what your next payment is due by 21. Yeah, that's true. The available account is 00, which means kushanda. So what I'm going to say pay, I'm going to pay $25. Okay, click it. You see my surname here. Right, pay. You pay now. I'm going to use Steward Bank's Visa card. So you pay. I love Steward Bank. My bank garungega. But I'm going to Steward Bank. Right. You say $25 US pay. Now I'm going to choose pay you. So pay you in under MasterCard and Visa. Then you go next. Dishi Rotanga kushanda ipapo. Then you put your smart card number. I think you put all the smart card number. 46 30. I need the smart card number code. Then start 40. Then you pay. Simple as that. Then you are done and the message comes. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.